Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
In North Goa, we had started doing special camps for persons to get their tenants verified. And today we are glad to share with you that during the whole of 2024, we have crossed the figure of 1 lakh. Almost more than 1 lakh tenants have been verified during the whole of 2024 up till 31st October. And just in the month of October, because of the efforts of our staff, we were able to verify around 55,000 tenants. A breakup of police station wise I have shared with you in a press note. You can find those details there. But in all police stations, citizens were encouraged to get their tenants verified, and we have seen a very positive response from the people of Goa, because of which we are hopeful that as the tourist season approaches, and we are also going to have certain important events lined up in November, especially with IFI and exposition. इसके अंदर all police stations have done good work, but if you want to know the maximum which has been done, the maximum has been done in it has been done in Porvorim police station. Porvorim police station during this year has done around 20,000 verifications. Kalangut has done a good job. It has verified almost 18,000 tenants. Old Goa has verified around 12,000 tenants.